Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, live and direct with another valuable video for you. Today, I wanted to go over the CPA network, Adwork Media. This is kind of I would say, little brother to a Max Bounty type of platform. It has content locking, but it also just has different offers that you can promote regularly to make some money if you don't want to do content locking and things like that. So I wanted to show you this, guys, that they do pay out. Okay. I haven't got paid much from this network because I haven't used it as much as CPA Grip, but I did get paid out on, as you can see, March 3rd. $35 and then $67 also. So that was like a total of what, $121. I got a balance right now of $17, and then my total pay was $103. But I wanted to show you all something because I know that you can make some good money with this. So I'll go here to campaigns, but the name of this is Adwork Media. Okay. You can get it in the description below, sign up for free. And then I think they may approve you immediately, or you may have to wait 24 hours, but this you automatically pretty much get approved for. It's not like Max Bounty where it takes all day. So if I click on campaigns, guys, they have a huge variety of things that you can choose from. But before I show you some of those, I'm going to show you the one offer that you guys can absolutely crush, especially if you're in the United States. If you're not in the United States, I believe you can still promote it, but you can only promote to the United States. So you'll probably have to run a paid ad to it. But, so if I go here to all countries, first let me show you the categories. These are all the different categories that they have here. So they have like, as seen on TV. Let me click back on it. They have, computer software, cost per click offers, credit offers, dating, downloads, e-commerce, email and zip submits, like all these different categories that you can potentially promote. Now, if I go here to the United States, I want to show you guys an offer right quick, because this offer is paying out boatloads. It's not really boatloads, but for what they have to do is very simple. And I'll type in credit. So pretty much you can get paid $19 just for someone checking their credit. Okay. Now, I know a lot of people use Credit Karma. See, my thing with this is I'm trying to figure out the best way to use this to get people to check their credit, because I believe it's free for them to check their credit, but it does charge them like $1 for something. I forgot. You have to make it to the end to find out. But I remember this offer because when I was doing Superior Freebies, which was another platform that I made money from, when I was doing it, they had this offer, and I was wondering, how are these people getting paid? But we were getting paid I think like $19 or something like that. And then I found out, the root of it was from here. So they pay out $19. So I'll show you what this looks like. And all they have to do is make it to the third page, as you can see right here. It says if they make it make it through the third page, which I believe is like their social and stuff. But this is like a legit site. This isn't, no BS site. This is an actually credited site. You can Google it. But I'll show you what the page looks like. Okay. So this is what the page looks like. They can be a member and things like that if they want to, but they would pretty much just put in, let's say I'll just throw that in, right? And then they come through here, and then they go to the second page, and then they, go to the third page. Once they're on the third page, once they fill out their information, I believe with their social, and then they submit it, they'll get their credit score. Now, the thing about this is, the one thing that's good about this is Credit Karma is not as accurate, for the simple fact that it doesn't give you your FICO. This will actually, I believe, give you your FICO score. I think Credit Karma only goes through Equifax and maybe TransUnion, I believe, and it doesn't give you the Experian. So you'll get your actual FICO score and you'll get everything else. So once they go through this, if you guys can figure out a way to market this, you can make $19 a lead. Okay, so pretty much the only thing they're going to have to do is just go through this process for free, I believe. Yeah, okay, so 7 days of the processing fee, there it is. as you can see. So the processing fee is $1. So that's all they have to pay for a 7-day trial. Okay. The monthly payment, if they decide to keep it, they don't have to keep it at all. Just tell them, they can go through, pay their $1, check out their score, call, cancel it, and tell them they don't need a membership. And you get $19 every time somebody does that. So I thought that was really cool, and that would really help you guys out. Adwork Media is pretty cool. And then they kind of go over, certain things like here, like no Craigslist marketing and things like that. So you can kind of read through here and find out, the best way to market it. But it says no social traffic, so I'm not sure if that's social media and things like that. But there's all type of ways that you can market this, man, and make some good money with it. So I'll be thinking of different ways as well. The reason why I said that one is because it pays a lot more. But let me take off the credit part of this, because they got a bunch of different credit ones, but let's see some other offers that pay good. Now, this offer pays, $38 if you can get someone to go through the second page, but this is like to get a loan. So if someone has bad credit, I don't even think this costs at all. It just says they have to go get through the second page. Okay, now some of these you have to get approved for. Some of these will say no. Approval status, mine says approved because I wouldn't got approved for it. But if it does say no, then you will have to scroll usually to the end of the page, and then they'll have somewhere at the bottom where you can request it. Okay, so once you do, you should have a link right here, and then this is the link that you will use to promote. And like I said, you can build a landing page around it or however. And then it says offer converts on a qualified lead. Offer is not accepted in residents of New York City. So if you're in New York, you can't, get accepted on this offer. But these are some big offers, guys. And like I said, all they have to do is fill out a little information. So if I click on this one, I think it says the second page they have to get past. So let's kind of 733. I'm just gonna type in any zip code. It won't let me do that. I'm just gonna 73162. I'll just type that in. And then 1989. See, they got to put in their social. So on this part, if they put in the last 4 digits of their social, let's see, and get started. Okay, so once they make it past, I'm not sure if it's this page. They find out how much they want to go through. So let me just go through this process real quick. Amount requested, I'll just say 5,000. Credit type 720. Auto repair. Chris Green. I'll just make up birthdays and are you no. And let's go to the second page. Okay, so this is the page that once they go through this page, then you'll get paid $38. So the loan request, they'll have to come down here and they'll have to put in, and I don't even think they have to get approved for the loan, but as long as they apply for the loan, you'll get paid $38, right? So driver's license, issue, and then their social security number and their bank account type. Once they click continue, you get $38. Okay. So like I said, they don't have to buy anything. They just kind of have to sign up to see if they get approved for it. You get paid $38 anytime somebody does that. And so this network is really, really dope. And they have other offers like the Zippy loan. You have to make it to the 4th page. Just all kind of different offers that pay like really big amounts. And some of these are credit cards, so you might want to stay away from some of these because people probably have to pay, and I really wouldn't want nobody to pay for any of these. Nothing high dollar at least. So yeah, man, just come through this website and come here to campaigns and just check it all out. And then if you come here to tools, guys, wait, let this load up for a second. So yeah, if you come here to tools, then you can see content locker, the link locker, product locker, offer wall, all kinds of stuff. Then they got more tools down here, banner rotators and all that. Like I said, they do have content lockers. You can set up some. Like as you can see, I was practicing here because you got to try to figure some of this stuff out too. So this is a pretty cool network. They have some really good offers. Like I said, they don't just have like the offers like CPA Grip has, but they have real offers that people would use on a daily basis. So definitely check out Adwork Media, and yeah, hopefully I helped you. If you like this information, hit a thumbs up. Trying to get you guys some money. 2019 is your year, and I hope you guys' families are blessed.